Dati pala niyang kakampi yung napaul niya.
Luis Alfred Tenorio makes the first free throw.
Ito pa isang dating kakampi.
Larry Alexander Fonacier making his first appearance in the ball game. Sonny Tos is back on the court. Actually, ito si Coach Joel Banalin. Speaking of Coach Joel, actually he's reunited with LA Tenorio and Larry Fonacier.
Yung mga players yan nung nag-champion nung
Right.
last championship na nakuha ng Ateneo.
8 seconds remaining bago matapos ang opening quarter. Simon has been the man of the moment here para sa Pure Foods.
Cold from the bench. Larry Fonacier nagbigay ng foul.
Wala pa naman sa penalty itong Alaska. They can actually give up one more foul here to stop a good scoring opportunity. Open look for Peter Jude Simon, slightly challenged. At dyan magtatapos ang opening quarter. Lamang ang Alaska after the first chapter here in Bohol, 24-19. We'll be back with more action dito sa